Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper. Good to be back with you folks. Hope everyone's staying safe through the COVID-19. We got an interesting recipe for you tonight. We're doing lamb, boneless lamb. On the smoker, we're going to also use some Jack Daniel's wood chips, along with some rosemary and garlic rub. It's going to be awesome. Tune back in. See you in a few. Hey guys, how you doing? Good to be back with you. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to inject this. Remember, just inject it as you're pulling out. All different directions. Whoops. Oh, and another pointer. Do not put your injector in the jar that it comes in. You'll contaminate the whole jar with the raw meat. Put it in a separate bowl. This is garlic and herb marinade. The gates of heaven seal. Don't you hear me? Need a little air. Don't you fix that? Don't you feel me? Oh yeah, look at all that. Yeah, that's nice. Do you know what it's like? When heaven's hung in black. Alright. I can take anymore. The walls are black and bleak. Good to be back with you folks. Hope y'all are staying safe. It's crazy out there right now, folks. I'm going to throw some salt on here. And here I'm going to put the and you're going to want to let this sit for about a half hour. Let all these seasonings soak into that lamb. Alright? Garlic and rosemary. It's good stuff. Flip it over. Messy, I tell you. I'll wash all this stuff out here. I just want to get this thing in, setting up in here in this marinade. And, you know, I'm going to leave this nice little layer of fat. Because you know what? The flavor. Don't be shy with the spice. Lamb is really good, folks. Easter coming up. Just in there. Use this hand since it's not covered. And you know what? I'm gonna, we're putting it in the smoker, but I am not putting it directly on the rack of my smoker. Why? I don't like a mess. So we're gonna throw it in here for about a half hour. We'll let that sit. And this is that marinade. We're just gonna roll it right back off into that pan. Here. Now you see that heaven's blinded across the bridge's side, blind time, oh Lord. All right, so we're gonna let this rest for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get the smoker up to temperature. We'll get it in the smoker. And, I'll see you after that. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, we're out here at the smoker. We'll go ahead and get the lamb in there. We'll get her up to temperature. Hey guys, all right, there we go. We got it in the smoker. We got our wood chips down here in the tray. We're almost up at temperature. It'll start smoking. I just hit the smoke element, so it'll be good. We'll come back in about 2 hours. And while we were gone, I did sprinkle a little pepper on it and a little balsamic vinegar just in the bottom of the pan. Now people say, why you got that pan in there? It's not going to smoke. It is going to smoke, but this is going to save your smoker and give you more life on your smoker. All right? So we'll see you in a couple hours, guys. Glad to be with you, and my trusty cameraman Gunchy on the camera here. See you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back. Just getting this out of the smoker, just did a little basting on it. What we're gonna do with this is we're gonna put it back in the smoker. We're gonna wrap it. This is going to seal all the juices in there. All right, I'm going to throw this back in the smoker for about an hour. I'll see you folks then. We'll get it plated. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, we got our lamb off the smoker. I got it, let it rest. We got it all laid out for you. Lamb with a little au jus sauce made with the lamb juice from the pan. Some Mexican street corn with some cojito cheese. You guys are going to love this because it is amazing. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. Doesn't get any better than that, folks. God bless you guys. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.